Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a channel in the Beep application. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. Once you're done with that, you should just look at the bottom of your right corner and there you will see the more option. Press on it and here you should select the second option, which is channels, and you can see kind of in the middle of your screen the create channel option. Press on it and you can add the photo of your channel. You can take a photo with your camera or you can choose a photo from your library. I suppose you know how to do that. You can add here a channel name, a channel description, and you can also set if the channel is supposed to be a public channel or a private one. So if it is a public channel, you have to add a URL name. I'm just going to write something random there. It is occupied, seems like. Okay, this one isn't. And now all you have to do is just press create channel down below and press this arrow at the bottom of your right corner and your channel will be created. So pretty much this is all about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.